These are the glass elevators at International Plaza and Bay Street in Tampa, Florida. We got two of them, and they're both on the same controller. Pretty big elevator. Let's go to UL. A nice motor. We're gonna go to LL. Capacity is 9,000 pounds, as you can see here. Pretty large. We're gonna ride the other one, which happens to be right here, but people are getting on it, so we'll wait for the next one. Here it is. So this elevator is just as big as the other one, 9,000 pound capacity. Let's stand in the back this time. Let's go back down to LL. I personally can't believe they have Santa's sled here. I'm probably not uploading this till December, but as of today, when I'm filming this, it's October 29th. Not even Halloween.